Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're going to open up two new mystery bags. These are from Melt Cosmetics. I've been going a little mystery bag crazy lately. I feel like we've just been seeing more and more of these pop up from brands. It's so much fun. I'm just the type of person that I love surprises and I love trying new makeup. This is really just a perfect scenario for me, especially when it's a brand that I've either never tried or don't have a lot from the brand. I just did a Wayne Goss surprise bag and I didn't have anything from Wayne Goss, so everything was new to me. That one was really fun. Definitely check that out after this video. Today we're doing some Melt Cosmetics mystery bags. I do have a handful of products from Melt Cosmetics, but not a ton. So I have a feeling that I will probably get almost entirely, if not entirely, new to me products. I have a small mystery bundle and a large mystery bundle. I saved a screenshot from the website. And there's also a thing on here that says, please note, multiple purchases of the mystery bundle will result in receiving the same items. It seems like these are all gonna have the same items in them. I am wearing a little bit of makeup, but I am probably gonna try on a bunch of stuff as we open them up. Let's dig in. Hopefully everything's separated so we can tell what's what. It's really not separated. It's all just kind of in here. Everything's all just kind of piled in. I can't really tell what's supposed to be the small bag and what's supposed to be the large bag, so it's going to be a little bit hard to figure out the actual retail values, but what we'll do is we'll just add everything together and see if we got the total that they promised. That should work. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. This box is really heavy. Maybe this is the small bag. These products were just kind of floating free inside. So there's two ultra matte lip liners and then a single shadow in the shade Lovesick. I don't know where these belong. Those products being stuck on top gave me the impression that nothing was bagged, but it looks like everything else is bagged separately. So I don't know if those were bonuses, floaters, stowaways. But this is probably the small bag, and then this is probably the big bag. We can just sort of operate on that assumption. And this looks like a whole bunch of new stuff to me, so I'm really excited. We have a mascara in here, and then a liquid lipstick in the shade Rebound. Let's see what this lipstick looks like. It's probably gonna be a weird color. Oh, it's not. It looks like a little pinky color. I'm going to show you these swatches close up now. These are the two free-floating lip liners and then the liquid lipstick that was in the small bag. These shades honestly are so pretty. Usually in mystery bags you get some weird lip colors. The lip liners are the shade Headbang and Foxy. And then this liquid lipstick is called Rebound. It's really, really nice. I'm really into this color a lot. Can't really swatch a mascara, but I'll try it on when I put some eyeshadow on. Wow, this is a really pretty box. This is a Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlight. What a weird name for a liquid highlighter. And the shade name is Fetish. Oh, that's kind of an unexpected packaging for a liquid highlighter. Oh, even more unexpected. It's giving me deodorant. It's giving me deodorant vibes. I mean, I like unexpected. I like different things. I can work with that. It's a little pinky highlighter. It reminds me of Chiffon Super Shock from ColourPop, which is one of my favorites. Very similar color, similar finish. It feels nice. It's going on easily. Oop, that was wet. It's alright. It looks pretty cute. It's way more subtle than I expected. I do have a little tiny remnant of cream blush left over from earlier in the day, but I think this works well. This is a pretty good shade to be in a mystery box too. A lot of people are going to be able to use a pink shade like this because you can put it over blush as a blush topper. You could use it as a highlighter. You could put this on the body, and this is going to look good on a lot of people. I don't know if there is such a thing as a universal shade, but this is one that I think is going to be pretty adaptable, so makes sense in a mystery bundle. That's kind of fun. I'm gonna wait on choosing a lip color because I think there's probably some more lip colors in the large bag. But there's one more thing in here, and it's a palette, and I love palettes, and I don't have this one. This is the She's in Parties palette. I'm so happy that this is in here because this has been on my Sephora Loves list for a long, long time. I think I've even mentioned it in one of my What's on My Loves list videos. And I love purple, and this, I mean, okay, this is beautiful. I love the packaging. I'm getting, you know, Rich Ladies wallpaper. Oh, it matches my nails. Wow, this is fate. Okay. Look how pretty this is. I really like this color story with you. I'm very, very happy to see this in my mystery bag. Woohoo! I'm gonna apply some more stuff later, but I wanna see what's in the other little baggie before I choose what else to put on. Here's the big bag. I see we have definitely some more lippies in here. This looks like another palette. This looks like some more sex foil. Exciting. Here's a little baby box. This is so cute. Laced ultra matte lipstick. Why is it so small? I mean, it's precious, but surprisingly small. I really like their design. They somehow do minimal in a really specific way. I don't know how to explain it, but this is kind of a grayish color, but look at the lipstick bullet. First of all, the packaging feels really luxe and really nice. But can you see this? It has all of this detail pressed into the lipstick. That is super cool. Ooh, and it has a magnetic cap. I really like that. When you get the little... Very satisfying. Wow, there's a ton of stuff in here. Okay, we've got all day, everyday eyeliners. We've got... another Supernatural Lash Mascara. Perfectionist Lip Ultra Precision Pencil in the shade Cashmere. Okay, so the Perfectionist Lip Liner and the All Day Everyday definitely have some different things going on here because the packaging is different. This is the wooden lip liner pencil. Then we have another liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade B Movie. Oh, and this one is a bright pink. These liquid lipsticks smell really good. They smell like vanilla cake batter, like really strong. This one, maybe not as much for me. Oh, it's very oily looking. Is that normal? So this is the Precision Lip Pencil. It's in the shade Cashmere. Then this is the Bullet Lipstick in Laced. This is cool. It's a very gray-brown, cool-toned, grayy kind of moment. I like that. It's very different for me, but it looks super pretty. Then this is the liquid lipstick in B Movie. And do you see what I mean? How it's like leaking into all the little cracks in my skin and it just looks oily and kind of separated? I don't know. That one's weird. I'm not into it. It feels very, very different in consistency from the first one that I swatched, and they're supposed to be the same thing, so maybe now we know why it's in a mystery bag. For the eyeliners and the second mascara, I'm gonna actually save these aside because I'm getting ready to do a really, really big makeup giveaway later this month. I'm actually gonna put these into that giveaway because, let's be real, I'm not gonna use the eyeliners, so I'm not gonna swatch them. I would rather rehome them to somebody who will enjoy them. And since I got 2 of the mascara, that's why you're not going to see the eyeliners, but maybe you'll get to take one home later this month. Oh boy, there's still so much more stuff in here. This is in a different shade. This liquid highlighter is in the shade Afterglow. Oh yeah, it's way darker, so this one's probably not going to work as well for me anyway. This looks like a really pretty color though. I find the packaging more pleasing with this color. Let's just swatch it and see what happens. I'm probably going to end up giving this one away too, but I'll just give it to somebody who this shade will work for. Oh, it's super pretty. Oh, wow. It's like liquid rose gold. This is the one called Afterglow. Wow. Look out, NARS, because Melt is coming for your scandalous product name game. Wish that I could wear this on my face. I probably could as a blush topper. Wow, more cheek products. I love cheek products. This is the highlighter and bronzer in Nova. Ooh, wow. That is gold. That is so pretty though. Look at it up close. It's super pretty. Ooh. This definitely wouldn't be a highlighter or a bronzer for me. Maybe an eyeshadow. Ooh, their packaging is really nice. It's very satisfying and very magnetic. Love that for me. Yes! I've been wanting one of these for so long. This is the cream blush light in the shade Polished. I've also had these on my Sephora loves list for a really long time. This color looks stunning too. I will not wait one more minute before I put this on my cheeks. Oh, she's pigmented. Wow. Oh, a little goes a long way. I maybe got overexcited, but who can blame me? That just blended in like a dream too. It's really pretty. Whew. I love it. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is beautiful. It's really bright. It's definitely a little bit different than what I normally choose for myself, which I ended up saying that in my Wayne Goss mystery bundle video too, because this is more of a corally color, but I think it looks super pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. Yes, I'm really excited about that. Okay, we have one thing left, and it's another palette. It's the Brunette palette. And I also don't have this one, so that's awesome. I didn't get any repeat products. Like I said, I don't have a ton of Melt Cosmetics already. That's why I felt confident going for both the small and the large bags. This is the inside of the palette. Kind of a basic neutral, but Melt always does a good job of putting a twist on their basics. So I bet that these shimmer shades are just insanely good. I'm so excited. I love my Melt palettes that I have, especially my Rust palette. I love that one. So I bet that this Brunette palette would actually work really well in conjunction with my Rust palette, because this one does have a lot more lighter tones in it. I definitely see myself mixing those two together and using them in tandem. But I think today I'm gonna wear the She's in Parties palette because I've really been wanting to try that one for ages. Probably should have zoomed in earlier, but better late than never. I'm gonna use my ColourPop Party Proof Primer. I wanted to let you know that I did total up the value, the retail values in here. The small bundle that I purchased for $25 was supposed to have a retail value of $130, and the large bundle that I purchased for $75 is supposed to have retail value of $245. So in total, the promised value of this box ended up being $375. Now, when I totaled up the retail price of all of these items in my box, because I couldn't really tell which things were which, I came to a total retail value of $447, which means I either lucked out, somehow accidentally got too many products, or they just calculated wrong. I'm not really sure how that would happen, but that's the totals that I came up with for these little mystery bundles. Look, I think because I have the corally cheeks, I should probably go for the more rosy color. If I had a cooler toned blush, I would probably do Laced, but I think I'm going to do this one called Rebound. I'm also going to try on the mascara. I'll apply the lipstick and the mascara off camera, and then I'll come back and show you my finished look. I think I made the right call with this lip color. It really suits this look. I'm impressed with the formula. It's really lightweight feeling, very comfortable on the lips. I'm not feeling like as it dries, it's sort of shrinking and shriveling my lips. You know, that matte liquid lipstick feeling can sometimes feel quite tight and uncomfortable. This feels super lightweight. I could definitely wear this and forget that I had it on. Not sure I could say the same about the other one. I haven't tried it on my lips yet, but it did not feel like the same texture at all. I don't know if I just got a weird one or what, but just based off the color that I'm wearing right now, I do really like this formula. The only heads up I'll give you is it has quite a strong sweet vanilla kind of cupcake scent to it. So if you don't like fragrance in your makeup, you won't like this one because it's a pretty strongly fragranced lipstick. I can't say too much about the mascara. I did have some remnants of mascara from earlier in the day already on. But one thing I will say is layering this Supernatural on top of the kind of crusty old mascara that I had on from hours ago didn't lead to a clumpy spider legs type of situation, and for that I am impressed. I'll also say this feels really heavy. It definitely has that weight of an expensive product, and the packaging is really cool. It's really different, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'm not saying it's, you know, changing my lash life or anything, but so far so good. Overall, I feel like this was a really successful mystery bag purchase. I am 2 for 2 right now. My little Wayne Goss surprise bundle video went really well too, and I am incredibly happy with this. I feel like I got a great value. I got all new products, which is always fun to play with new things. And I did get a couple of things that I've really had my heart set on for a while, which is always very satisfying. Both the palettes, especially She's and Parties, really excited about this one, as well as the cream blush light, which I think looks gorgeous on. I love a cream blush. I love a glowy, casually sweaty cheek, and I am not disappointed by this product. There are a few things that I'll pass on, either just because they don't fit my life, like the eyeliners, or they don't really fit my skin tone, like that more bronzy rose gold liquid highlighter. Got some major scores here. I think these 2 lipsticks, Laced and Rebound, are absolutely out of this world colors. The formulas seem incredible. The packaging is on point, so these are a great score. I have absolutely no regrets about this purchase. I definitely got my money's worth, and I got a lot of new products to try and things that I'm excited about. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these mystery bags. Have you picked up one of these? Did I get any of your favorite products? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I do have... stare into my sparkly clouds while I figure out what I'm gonna say. I got these from my girl by Mel Klein. Go check her out. She's amazing, creative, and fantastic. I forget what I was talking about. I got distracted by my own earrings. Oh wow, that lip liner feels really soft. Foxy. Oh, those are super pretty. Super pretty. Yeah, that doesn't look like a weird color at all. That looks really pretty. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. Wow. No, it's vanilla cake batter. It smells amazing though. I see a palette. I'm excited. Sex foil. Ouch. I don't know. That doesn't sound good to me, but whatever works for you, I suppose. Okay, if I could get this open, that would be great. Thanks. Really? It's literally bubble wrap and I am locked out. Help, I need an adult. The scary part is when you are the adult. Ooh. Oh. Yikes. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, I can't stand it. And just like last time, my camera cut off and I don't know how long it was not recording for, so that's fun. Beautiful. I love it. I already love it. Wire Melt eyeshadow is so good. Why didn't I buy this palette as soon as it came out? I'm glad that the road led us here, but honestly, why did I not buy this palette when it came out? It's so pretty. Okay. Okay, things always look a little crazy before we're done. Just trust me on this one. It's probably going to be fine. I love it. It's purple and I love it. And no one was ever surprised. It's a pretty strongly fragranced. Dang it. Let me try that again, because that sounded weird. What's new? Ma'am, what are you talking about? Do you know? Because if you don't know, nobody else is gonna know. Casually sweaty cheek, purple eyeshadow, a little rosy neutral lip. My husband's home. That means it's time for snacks. Woohoo! Okay, thanks for watching. I love your face. I'm gonna go eat snacks now. Okay, bye!